You invested in your dream hair. Now let's make it last. Caring for your halo hair extension properly means more shine, less tangles, and longer wear. Here's how to keep it looking flawless. Don't reach for just any shampoo. Use a gentle, extension-safe formula, something with a little silicone, but nothing harsh or toxic. Your halo has been processed, so treat it like the luxury hair it is. Before washing, always detangle your halo. Start at the ends and work your way up with a loop or paddle brush. This helps avoid matting during the wash. Fill your sink or a basin with cool water. Slowly submerge the halo, letting the water flow downward to prevent tangling. Think gentle spa moment, not power shower. Apply your shampoo in smooth downward strokes. Never rub or twist, just glide the product through the hair. Rinse thoroughly for 2 to 3 minutes until all product is completely out. Residue causes tangling, so don't rush this part. Apply a generous amount of conditioner and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. No need for overnight soaks. Your hair doesn't need it. Then rinse thoroughly to remove all product. Gently wring out excess water and lay your halo on a towel. Fold the towel over and press down. Don't twist or scrub. Let it air dry flat or hang it to dry overnight. If you need to blow dry, keep it on low heat. When you take care of your halo hair extensions, they will return the favor with long-lasting beauty and flawless wear. With proper maintenance, your extensions will look smooth, natural, and luxurious every single time you wear them. Save this guide for your next wash day. Follow for more expert hair extension care, styling inspiration, and beauty tips.